Hey there, kids! Welcome to our fun and exciting mini course on budgeting and investing. Ever wonder how to turn your piggy bank into a treasure chest? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to teach you all about budgeting and investing. These are super important skills that can help you in so many ways. It's not just for grown-ups. You can do it too. Imagine being able to manage your own money and make it grow. Let's dive in. First up, budgeting. Budgeting is like making a plan for how to spend your money wisely. Think of it like making a plan for how to spend your money. You decide in advance what you want to do with it. Imagine you have $10. What would you do with it? You want to save some, spend some, and maybe even give a little to help others. That's budgeting. It's all about making choices. Next, let's talk about saving. Saving is super important. Saving means putting money aside for something special or for the future. It's like giving a gift to your future self, like saving up for that cool new game or a bike. It feels great when you finally get what you've been saving for. When you save, your money stays safe and can grow over time. Pretty neat, right? Now, what's a deposit? Let's find out. It's when you put money into a bank account. Think of it as giving your money a safe home. Think of it like feeding your savings. The more you feed it, the bigger it grows. On the flip side, a withdrawal is when you take money out of your bank account. It's like taking a snack from your savings. So depositing is putting in, and withdrawing is taking out. Easy peasy. Now let's move on to something even more exciting. All right, let's get into investing. Investing is like planting a money tree. Investing is like planting a money tree. You put your money into something like stocks or mutual funds, and it can grow over time. You put your money into something like stocks or mutual funds, and it can grow over time. So, what's a stock? Let's break it down. A stock is like owning a tiny piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. If the company does well, your piece becomes more valuable. And a mutual fund? Let's see what that is. That's when lots of people put their money together to buy many different stocks and bonds. It's like a team effort. It's like sharing a big pizza with friends. Everyone gets a slice, and it's less risky than eating the whole pizza by yourself. Everyone gets a slice, and it's less risky than eating the whole pizza by yourself. Plus, it's more fun to share. Why is all this important? Because learning to budget and invest now sets you up for a bright future. Because learning to budget and invest now sets you up for a bright future. You'll have the skills to manage your money wisely. You'll be able to buy cool things, go on fun trips, and even help others. Imagine all the possibilities. Plus, it's super fun to watch your money grow. So start small. Every little bit counts. Ask your parents to help you open a savings account. It's a great way to start your financial journey. Maybe even get a little jar at home to save your coins. You can decorate it and make it your own special savings jar. Keep track of your money and watch it grow. It's exciting to see your savings increase. You're never too young to start thinking about your financial future. The earlier you start, the better. Remember, budgeting and investing are like superpowers. They give you control over your money and your future. Use them wisely, and you'll be unstoppable. You'll be a financial superhero. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you learned a lot and had fun. Keep learning, keep saving, and keep growing. See you next time. Bye-bye.